ECM multi-speed blower motor not kicking on? Let's get that heating or cooling back up and running fast. So, first off, you gotta check if the motor is getting power at all. You know, both the high voltage side and the low voltage side. Sometimes one's missing and the motor just sits there silent. Then, peek at the control board to see if it's actually sending the 24 volt signal to the motor. If the board isn't talking to the motor, nothing's gonna happen. Also, make sure all those wiring connections are tight and not corroded or loose, because even a tiny break can stop the whole thing. If you got a multimeter, use it to test for voltage right at the motor terminals, but this tells you if power is really reaching it. Don't forget to check the blower motor capacitor too, since a bad capacitor can prevent the motor from starting. Sometimes the motor itself can be burnt out or seized up, so listen for any humming sounds that might mean it's trying but failing. Lastly, double check your thermostat settings, because sometimes a simple misconfiguration keeps the blower from spinning. One of the biggest headaches with ECM multi-speed blower motors is ignoring power supply issues. People often don't verify if the high voltage and low voltage inputs are both present, so always confirm power is reaching the unit. Another common mistake is overlooking the control board's 24 volt signal. If that signal isn't there, your motor won't get told to run, so testing that signal is key. The third trouble spot is bad or loose wiring connections, which can cause intermittent or no operation. Tightening and cleaning up those connections usually does the trick. Fix these by systematically checking voltage inputs with a multimeter, confirming control board signals, and inspecting all wiring for damage or looseness. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about finding the right help. Plus, it helps contractors get steady work by connecting them directly to people ready to fix up their homes.